time is 14:09 on the 1st of April 2024. And this is how they do it. It's not an emergency because it's not driving fast, just wasting people's time. YX68TKD. YX68TKD. There's no traffic, it's totally clear. Just noise. Just fucking noise. That's how they do it. This is the second time they're doing this. Noise campaign, noise harassment. I'm in the backyard. And it's always the ambulance. That's the second ambulance that has driven past. Luckily, I got this one on camera. And it's 13:35 on the 2nd of April 2024. You can see the ambulance doing their noise campaign. 2 ambulances have driven past. The first one, I didn't catch it on camera. Luckily, I caught the second one. And this is my backyard. I'm chilling here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Your support goes a very long way. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to protect yourself at all times.